need years of training to prepare. The effort is worth it because a champion fighter wins privileged access to the females. This meadow is a boot camp for aspiring boxers. Training starts as soon as a youngster is out of the pouch. Its mother is a handy opponent for a young Joey learning the basics. But he's soon off in search of more sparring partners. The other grown-ups are not so tolerant of this lightweight. This male alone rules the meadow. He stands 8 feet tall, his muscles hardened by years of sparring. Today, a challenger for his title has come forward. Full-blown fights are so dangerous, they're not entered into lightly. But when two males square up, it's time to clear the arena. Anything goes in these power struggles. Eye gouging is entirely within the rules. So is kicking below the belt. The dominant male's skill is already telling. The stakes are high. They risk broken bones and internal injuries. Suddenly, it's all over. The champion has beaten off the challenger, at least for now.